Buck up, space explorers! Today, we are taking an epic, high-speed journey through our incredible solar system, exploring every single planet in detail before solving the ultimate cosmic mystery. Why on Earth, or rather, in space-died Pluto, get kicked out of the planet club? First stop, Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, and a total speed demon. Mercury orbits the Sun in just 88 days. It is a scorched crater rock with no atmosphere, meaning it experiences wild temperature swings from blistering heat to freezing cold. Next, we dive into the absolute hellscape of Venus. Don't let its beautiful shine fool you. Venus is a toxic greenhouse with an atmosphere thick with carbon dioxide and clouds of sulfuric acid. It is the hottest planet in our solar system, hot enough to melt lead. Ah, sweet home Earth, the only known cosmic oasis bursting with life, liquid water, and a perfect atmosphere. It is our beautiful blue marble, protected by a strong magnetic field, and perfectly positioned in the Goldilocks zone. Now we leap to Mars, the dusty red world. Mars is a cold desert today, but it holds giant secrets like Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, and deep canyons that suggest water once flowed here. Could humans live here one day? Before we hit the giant outer planets, we must navigate the asteroid belt. This is a massive ring of rocky debris left over from the early solar system, acting as the cosmic boundary between the rocky inner worlds and the outer giants. Boom! Enter Jupiter, the undisputed king of our cosmic neighborhood. This gas giant is so massive that more than 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. It is famous for its great red spot, a colossal storm raging for centuries, and its dozens of fascinating moons. Hold on to your helmets because Saturn is up next, renowned for its breathtaking, majestic ring system made of ice, rock, and dust. Saturn is so light and gaseous that if you could find a bathtub big enough, this giant would actually float, rolling in. Sideways, we have Uranus. This pale blue ice giant is a true eccentric, spinning completely on its side, likely due to a massive ancient collision. It is a frozen, windy world with faint rings and icy mysteries. Further out, shrouded in deep blue mystery, lies Neptune. This ice giant experiences the most violent winds in the solar system, whipping around at supersonic speeds. It is a dark, cold, and beautiful world at the very edge of our main planetary system. And now, the moment you have all been waiting for. Let us talk about Pluto. Discovered in 1930, Pluto was proudly celebrated as our ninth planet for over 70 years. It was the beloved, icy underdog at the edge of the dark. But in the late 90s and early 2000s, chaos struck the astronomical community. Astronomers started finding other massive, icy worlds past Neptune in a region called the Kuiper Belt. One discovery, an icy body named Eris, was actually more massive than Pluto. This sparked a massive debate. In 2006, the International Astronomical Union gathered in Prague to make a historic decision. They realized they needed to officially define what actually makes a planet once and for all. They established 3 strict rules. First, a planet must orbit the sun. Pluto does that. Second, it must have enough gravity to force itself into a spherical shape. Pluto does that too. But the third rule is where Pluto failed. A planet must clear its own orbital neighborhood of other debris. Because Pluto shares its orbit with countless other Kuiper-Belt objects, it failed this final test. So, Pluto was officially demoted to a dwarf planet. Why, it might seem sad, this decision actually opened our eyes to a whole new class of exciting worlds in the outer reaches of space. Pluto is still a cosmic superstar, reminding us that science is always evolving.